Viewers, we have some breaking news. Before we go to that question with Nalini, the top court denies bail to Umar Khalid and Sharjil Imam. This is what we are understanding. Different bail regime in the security of nation. This is what's been cited by the Supreme Court at this given point. Omar Khalid and Sharjil Imam have been denied bail by the Supreme Court. This is what has so far come out in the case. But again, remember, 7 of them are accused that are currently under this bail plea hearing. So out of them, 2 have been denied bail. As the court mentioned just a little while ago, we will not be considering all of them on an equal footing. Each of their role needs to be determined in isolation. That is what the Supreme Court had said. So while 2 of these have been denied bail, let's see what happens to the other 5 who are also behind bars at this given point of time. Nalini, quick insight into this particular breaking news that's coming in. 2 of them denied bail, Omar Khalid and Sharjil Imam.
Shreya, massive setback both for Umar Khalid as well as Sharjil Imam, because the Supreme Court clearly said that Umar Khalid and Sharjil Imam both stand on a qualitatively different footing as compared to the other accused, which means that what role they individually played in orchestrating the Delhi riots is something that has been considered by the court. Another big observation that has been made by the court is that prima facie the prosecution has been able to show that the offences of which Umar Khalid and Sharjil Imam are accused of are prima facie correct, and on that basis it has to be considered whether or not long incarceration is something that is against the act when it comes to cases related to national security. So the Supreme Court clearly said that long incarceration is not against the act. It is a stringent law, and when the case of national security, the evidence has to be considered in such a way. All the 7 accused cannot be considered on the equal footing, which is why the Supreme Court's gone ahead and denied bail to both Umar Khalid and Sharjil Imam. The court has clearly said that 1 year from now, once the examination of the witnesses is completed, they can approach for bail again. But considering that there are some protected witnesses who've still not been examined by the court in the pre-trial stage, it is not okay to give them bail at this particular time, since it might adversely impact the trial that is going on in the case. They said that within 1 year from now, they can apply for a bail again, and their case should be considered